Feminists, no matter how hardcore they pretend to be, but deep down they want or expect guys to be chivalrous. People who are risk-takers in their youth also tend to take relatively more risks than their peers as they age, research shows. The worst person to be around is someone who complains about everything and appreciates nothing. Your body makes you attractive, your smile makes you pretty, but your personality makes you beautiful. Around the world, 107 baby boys are born for every 100 baby girl. According to the triangular theory of love developed by psychologist Robert Sternberg, the three components of love are intimacy, passion, and commitment. Suppressed jealousy and envy creates life deception. Fruits and vegetables bring joy. Those who use more swear words every day have low self-esteem and are partly honest. Anger is our natural defense against pain. So when I say I hate you, it means that you are hurting me, and the human brain can never tolerate this pain, so it will convert these feelings into anger. If you have crush on someone, your brain will find it difficult to tell a lie to that person. Expressing anger is helpful. It releases tension and helps people to not have grudges against anyone because they express themselves every time they get angry. Being unable to get someone off your mind indicates that you are also on that person's mind. People only realize what they had after they lost it, so hold on to what you have and never ever let it go. People seem to be happy when they're kept busy, as this keeps them from worrying about bad problems in life. If you don't know your own worth and value, don't expect someone to calculate it for you. The brain loves intimacy, be it emotional or physical intimacy, makes the brain feel reassured, important, valued, and loved. When people work under the illusion that they're being watched, they perform and behave better. Often in life, we forget the things you should remember and remember the things we should forget. Study shows that working along with a friend increases your productivity by over 70%. Psychology says when you are surrounded by real friends, you are generally less stressed by everyday life. Anger is a feeling that makes your mouth work faster than your mind. If you can't interrupt the stream of thoughts at night, write it down. This is going to put your mind at ease so that you can relax. Stupidity is knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. The saddest people are those who have everything, but can't share with anyone. Staying optimistic about the future can powerfully shield people from physical and mental illness. When a bunch of individuals laugh, people will unconsciously look at the person they feel closest to in that group. A person who is dishonest uses more strengths because he or she has to keep in mind both the truth and the lie in order to hide the facts. Asking for advice is a powerful way to influence others and warm them up to you. Quiet people are actually talkative around people they're comfortable with. Learn to stop explaining everything. Let people think whatever they want. You have nothing to prove to anyone. Learn to return people's money with the same smile and humility just as when you borrowed it. Just because someone is strong enough to handle pain doesn't mean they deserve it. Sometimes we need to be hurt in order to grow. We must lose in order to gain. Sometimes some lessons are learned best through pain. People don't always need advice. Sometimes all they need is a hand to hold, ear to listen, and heart to understand. People who swear a lot tend to be more loyal, upfront, and honest with friends. You can't change someone who doesn't see an issue with their actions. You just have to distance yourself.